Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you do? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 9, air pollution. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet. Links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture 5, reading skills through brainstorming ideas. This is our lecture, and before English for grade 3, we have already learned about that ask questions to understand the text, story of a wheat plant. I hope you may remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are identify and utilize effective study skills, e.g. brainstorming for ideas using illustrations and note-taking. Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Allah does not charge a soul except with that within its capacity. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning in Quran that Allah never put burden on that being that is not able to get it and to deal with that burden. Allah never. Allah loves his man. Yes, my dear students, let's refresh our knowledge about the lesson. What do you know about pollution? Can you tell the types of pollution? Yes, my dear students and my dear teachers, pause the video and get answer from your students and then come back. I hope you have done it in a good way. Excellent job. Yes, today we are going to start our lecture, Unit 9, Air Pollution Readings. First paragraph is there. Our Earth is surrounded by a cover of air called the atmosphere. This cover of air is made up of many gases. Yes, my dear students, this paragraph is telling us that our Earth, as we know that our Earth is a planet and it is covered by air, and that air is called atmosphere, and that atmosphere is made up of many gases, combination of many gases. There is a question for you related to this paragraph. What is meant by the atmosphere? Yes, my dear teachers, get answer from your student and then come back. Excellent. It helps in protecting the earth from entering harmful radiations and allows life to exist. Air is polluted when gases, dust particles, and smoke are mixed into the atmosphere to make it harmful for humans, animals, as well as plants. Yes, my dear students. So the atmosphere, the cover of atmosphere is protecting our earth from the harmful rays of sun. So, and when air is polluted by the combination of different gases, then definitely it is harmful for humans, for animals, and as well as for plants, all living things. For all living things, that pollution is so harmful. Yes, what is the meaning of radiation? We have read that the word here, transfer of heat. Transfer of heat from sun. This is called radiation. Air pollution can result from both human and natural actions. Natural events that pollute the air include forest fires. Yes, my dear student, there is giving us reasons that both two reasons are there for the pollution of air there, and one created by human and natural actions that is done naturally. And which natural actions are there? We will see that there is a word. What is pollution? The word pollution means presence of harmful item in environment. This is that addition of harmful substance in the environment is called pollution. Wind erosion, pollen spreading, volcanic outbreaks, evaporation of organic compounds, and natural radiations. Human activities are major cause of air pollution, especially in big cities. Yes, my dear students, that both things are they are informing us for both reasons, that according to the humans and natural that wind erosion, pollen spreading, volcanic outbreaks. That volcanic outbreaks means that when the harmful rays and harmful smoke is coming out from mountains due to extra heat, and evaporation of organic compounds and natural radiations are that harmful rays from the sun. Yes, what is wind erosion? Process of loss of soil by wind. This is the wind erosion. And what is evaporation? The process by which a liquid changes into vapors. This evaporation is that due to heat, when it is being changed into the vapors into the air. This is called evaporation. Yes, my dear student, there is also question related these sentences. Write at least 3 causes of air pollution. Yes, my dear teachers, get answer from your students and then come back. Excellent. Factories, power plants, cars, aeroplanes, chemicals from spray cans, and methane gas from landfills are the sources of man-caused air pollution. The landfill is also a harmful process in which waste is buried into the land. Yes, my dear students, before we got that which were the natural causes of air pollution, and now these are the human causes due to human activities that air is being polluted, just factories, power plants, cars, aeroplanes, and due to their smoke, and our air is being polluted every day. Yes, there is a question. How do humans cause air pollution? Find the answer in these lines and give answer to your teacher. Good job. Yes, my dear students. So we have learned 3 paragraphs today, and now we are going to move towards activity. Yes, open your book, page number 67. There are questions are there, comprehension, question number 1. And solve these questions, question number B, C, and D in your book. Pause the video and do these activities in your classroom work. Okay, excellent. You have done it. And what's our homework for today? Write 2 solutions to reduce air pollution. Yes, my dear students, we have learned causes today, and what is air pollution and how it is being caused due to human and natural activities. So now you will think about the lesson, you will brainstorm your ideas, and you will give 2 solutions that how we can reduce air pollution. Yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet and it's given into the description box. Click it, download it, and provide it to your students in printed form. What we have learned today? Today we learn how we can brainstorm ideas using illustrations, examples to gather our thoughts to get our main point. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO, identify and utilize effective study skills, e.g. brainstorming for ideas using illustrations and note taking. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. With a new lecture, we will meet soon, inshallah. Stay blessed.